And today we are going to learn what? Heat transfer. Okay, so let's start. This chapter has no importance in your next class. Okay, so now heat. Now what is heat? The formation of energy. Heat is just an energy which results in the formation of hotness or coldness. Okay, this holds the formation of hotness or coldness. Okay, it's a form of energy. Okay. Now temperature, the degree of hotness or coldness of a body is known as temperature. Okay. Now evaporation, the change of a substance from its liquid state to its gaseous state by absorbing heat. Okay, from the surroundings at any temperature below its boiling point. Now it's a change of the substance from the liquid state to the gaseous state by absorbing heat. Okay, from the surroundings at any temperature when it's below the boiling point. Okay. Yeah, above the boiling point you will get boiling. Okay, so the process during which the liquid changes into vapor at a constant temperature by absorbing heat is known as boiling. Now what is thermal expansion? The expansion of a substance when the temperature is being increased, and you know that when temperature increases, expansion takes place, thermal expansion takes place, and when temperature decreases, contraction takes place. Linear expansion increases the length of the solid when it is heated. Now, thermal expansion are of three types: linear expansion, superficial expansion, and cubical expansion. So, linear expansion is only one direction. Okay, that means only the length is increasing, and superficial is the area is increasing. That means both is expanding. Okay, two directions. Now, what is the meaning of cubical? The increase in the volume of the solid or the liquid or gas on heating. So three dimensions are increasing. Okay. Next, at a glance. Okay. Now heat flows from a higher temperature of to a body to a lower temperature of the body when both are in contact with each other. You have learned this from class 6. Now SI unit you also know, it's joule. Now 1 calorie is what? The amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 centigrade. Okay. Some of the relations between various units of heat are as shown here. Okay, so 1 kilocalorie is 1000 calorie. 1 calorie is 4.184 joule or 4.2 joules, and 1 kilocalorie is 4184 joules. That is nearly 4200 joules, and 1 joule is 0.24 calorie. This equation you may take a snapshot. Okay, now the effects of heat include change in temperature. What do they include? Change in temperature, change in state of matter, and change in dimensions. Okay, temperature will obviously increase. Change in state of matter, kinetic energy will increase. That's why it will be more heated. Okay, and change in dimensions. That means it will expand. Okay. Now evaporation. Let's come to evaporation. Evaporation takes place from the surface of the liquid. That is, it is a surface phenomena and takes place at all temperatures and only from the surface of the liquid. So what are the properties? Takes place from the surface of the liquid and takes place at all temperatures. Okay. In boiling, all the molecules of the liquid acquire sufficient kinetic energy for acquiring enough energy to overcome the intermolecular force of attraction binding them in the liquid. All the molecules get agitated and they gain much kinetic energy, and so all of them are vaporizing together. Okay, in boiling. So when solid, liquid or gas is heated, it expands. You know this. So when a solid is heated, there is change in length, area or volume. Now length means linear, area is superficial, and volume is cubical. Now the increase in the length of the solid is so then the increase in the length of solid is this one, alpha L by T. Okay, so alpha then the original length and delta T. Okay, alpha is termed as the coefficient of linear expansion. Okay, alpha A like this. So coefficient of linear expansion can be defined as the length in the increase in the length per unit as original length per unit rise in temperature. Okay. Just a minute. Actually, shooting is going on. Okay, so that's why it may be of some problem. Just concentrate. The increase in the area of the solid when heat is supplied to it is and it is called the superficial expansion, and is given as beta, and then the superficial expansion number in delta T. Okay, so what is the coefficient? Beta. Okay. The coefficient of superficial expansion can be defined as the increase in the area per unit original area unit rise in temperature. Okay. The increase in the volume of the solid or the liquid or gas on heating is known as cubical expansion. It's gamma V dot. Okay, so what's it? Gamma. Okay. So coefficient of cubical expansion is so gamma is the cubical expansion coefficient. Okay. So the coefficient of the cubical expansion is defined as the increase in the volume per unit original volume per unit rise in temperature. So the coefficient of linear equation here can be written the ratio alpha is to beta is to gamma is equal to 1 is to 2 is to 3. Now beta is 2 alpha and gamma is 3 alpha. Okay. Liquids expand more than solids on heating. Okay. Liquids have only cubical expansion. Gases expand more than solid. And liquids, when it is heated, gases also have cubical expansion. So solid has 3 expansions only, while liquids and gases have only 1. Okay. Gas has also 1. Okay. Now see superficial expansion. The increase in the area of the solid when heat is supplied to it is known as superficial expansion. Beta is the coefficient of superficial expansion. Okay, it is defined as the increase in the area per unit in the rise of temperature. So if this whole ground increase, we will see that it's superficial expansion. This value depends on the material of the plate. Okay, its unit is Kelvin. Everything is unit is Kelvin. Okay. Now bimetallic strip. Okay, when a bimetallic strip is formed, when two metals are prepared from two metallic strips are formed from different metals with having different extent of temperatures and are welded together. Now when this strip is heated, it expands. So the expansion takes place along the length of the strip is known as linear expansion. Bimetallic strips are used in electrical devices, thermometers and heat engines to control temperature. Now linear expansion, the increase in the length of the solid when it is heated is called the linear expansion. Okay, alpha is a coefficient and its definition just learned. Okay, and the value depends on the material of the rod and the unit is same Kelvin. The change in the state of matter on supplying heat in the matter. Now this I have drawn various times. On supplying heat to the matter, molecules started gaining energy and start vibrating in a vigorous manner. So this leads to a change in the state of matter. In a similar manner, on liberation of heat, molecules lose energy and they come closer. In this case, the change of matter takes place. Okay. Now the cubical block we will see now. Okay. So gamma is cubical expansion. Okay. Now learn the definition. Its value is the material of the plate and therefore its unit is Kelvin. Okay. So this was our video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, smash the like button. Nothing to read in the chapter. Only a type of expansions you need to learn and nothing else. Okay. Thank you so much. And this change of states you all know already. Okay. Thank you so much. Goodbye.